In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Keep switch to light mode. Whether you're looking for a softer look on your eyes or simply prefer a lighter aesthetic, this quick and easy process will guide you through making this change. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, open up your Google browser. This is your starting point to access Google Keep, and it's important to ensure that you're logged into your Google account. If you're not signed in, take a moment to do that now. Once you're signed in and ready, move your cursor to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a small grid icon which houses all your Google apps. Click on this grid icon to reveal all the applications that Google offers. You'll see a variety of apps from Drive to Calendar, but for this tutorial, you'll want to focus on finding Google Keep. It's usually located among the icons near the middle, but if you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down a bit. Click on the Keep icon to open the app. Now that Google Keep is open, direct your attention towards the top of your screen where you'll see a gear-shaped icon. This represents your settings. Click on this icon to open up the menu, which allows you to customize various aspects of your Google Keep experience. In the settings menu, you'll find several options related to your account and display preferences. Look for the option that says Disable Dark Theme. By default, your Google Keep might be set to a darker background if it detects your device's theme is set to dark mode. Selecting Disable Dark Theme will instantly switch your Google Keep to light mode, offering you a brighter, more vibrant look. Remember, adjusting these settings can often make a big difference in your view and comfort when navigating through your notes and reminders. Whether it's daytime or in a dimly lit environment, the light mode can be easier on your eyes, helping you focus better on the task at hand. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully switched Google Keep from dark mode to light mode. It's always great to know how to customize your digital workspace to fit your preferences, and I hope this guide made that process straightforward and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to guides and tips on using Google Apps more effectively. See you next time.